Is it possible to read books without grammar rules? Today in this video, I'm gonna answer this question. Hi, this is Firas. Welcome to Speak Real Arabic. Many people think that in order to be able to read books, you have to have a lot of knowledge in grammar rules, a lot of experience, exposure to grammar rules. In my experience with English, for example, I was able to read many novels and books in English without any grammar rules. How is it even possible to be able to read without any knowledge of grammar rules? I will tell you. When I was learning English, I found it to be really boring to learn grammar rules in English. And I think it's the same for many languages. Why? Grammar rules are complicated and boring. And I think that you could really acquire reading without grammar rules. You can focus on pleasure reading. Yeah. What is pleasure reading? Read for fun. How awesome. Reading for fun. Yeah. Just focus on something easy for you. Novels or story for kids. When I was learning, I focused on Harry Potter, which I really love, and Goosebumps. Many Americans might know about Goosebumps. It's quite popular in the US. I use it to learn and have fun in the language. I read many novels, and not one time. I read it one time, sometimes 2, 4, 5, maybe 10 times. Why? Because 1, I was having a lot of fun. 2, I was enjoying adding new vocabulary to my active vocabulary. How I did this? I use an application called LinkQ. I will put in the description the link for it. You can use it. And I added the audio file from Audible. I bought the audio and I put it. You can find a lot of audio files for popular books in Audible. You can get the audio file, put it on LinkQ, add the text for the novel, add it in chapters. So I would add the chapter, repeat it, put a new vocabulary, and I started to see new vocabulary and start to build the empire of vocabularies over the time. 3, 4, 5,000 vocabularies. And what's really funny, I wasn't add really long sentences, new phrases here and there, because I was enjoying and reading something easy for me. The key for having fun is easy reading. You have to not search a lot about new vocabulary. It's about like 70-80% you know already most of the vocabulary, and just 20-30% that might be hard for you. It won't hurt you to use some dictionary here and there for new vocabulary, and sometimes you don't need it if you already understand from the context all the meanings. The golden question for the video would be, is it possible for Arabic language? I think, yep, you can use it. You can ask your tutor to have some specific stories for you, or you can use blogs, you can use easy stories, you can search about it on the internet, and you might find some people will share the audio file for the story. You can use it. Unfortunately, we don't use Ammiya or spoken language in written, so you would need MSA, Modern Standard Arabic, which is Fusha, to read in Arabic. Don't learn from textbooks how to read. Why? Boring and not used vocabulary. In our stories, we will use the vocabulary that we might use in our writing. But in textbooks, which is focused on language learning, first, you will see structures for non-native speakers. And second, it won't be really fun and useful. So you don't use it. You might be shocked about how much you could find on the internet on many topics like technology, healthy style, sports, politics, religion, anything you might think. We have a lot of blogs about it. So you could use this as material for reading. In conclusion, the key to have a lot of reading is to have fun. Choose something that's interesting to you. Interesting is important. You wouldn't read many things for longer time without having fun and interesting topics. So find something that's enjoyable for you. I hope you find it useful. Like this video and see you in the next one. Bye.